Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under and an unboxing, and I think we'll break this unboxing up. And this is from a good collecting friend of mine, Dan, in the United States. Dan's been a big collector over the years, very passionate collector, and a proper gent who helps out a small group that I'm involved with as a proxy address. So we're able to send cat. So I'm able to buy razors and send to him, and then I've got X amount put together. He sends them off to me. And so just a lot cheaper way to collect if you're in Australia, and because of course a lot of razors for sale, vintage razors, are from America. Rightio. Quite a bit here. Oh, yes. Stick around for when I open up this. Trust me. In fact, this will get its own video. And this as well. And I went a bit stupid, and this as well. Rightio. Do you two together. We'll do yours there. So we'll start with this one. World Corporation by King C. Gillette. The Birth of Social and Industrial Science. A machine which has the economic power to displace another machine is better than a machine displaced. And then I've got to think about that. So I think before he got the razors up and running, he had his own plan for society, and what he believed was a better way. Just on the face of it, maybe some people would see it as socialist. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but the book come up for sale. I've heard about the book, and I thought it was at a good price. So I thought, why not? I'll buy it and I'll read it just for something to do. Maybe understand a little bit more of who King C. Gillette was. World Corporation entering Wedge World Corporation chapter. Articles of Incorporation, World Corporation bylaws, synopsis of World Corporation, publicity, politics, launching of World Corporation revolutionary. Part 2, the automatic labour system, sowing the seed, the automatic labour system, man corporated. Part 3, waste of our system, World Corporation, not a dream, the problem. So, I'll just hold that there if you want to freeze frame, and just and that first sort of page there, if you just want to just pause, and I'll just read that as well. So this will be an interesting read over time. Oh, this is interesting. This was a flyer that was inside of it. Interesting stuff. So at some stage I'll get around to reading it. Rightio, this is the next thing we'll open. And you guessed it, it's President. So I've got a nice President in a case, and I wanted to shave with one. So here it is. So I picked one up. This was a decent price. Movement there. I don't know if that's all gone now. So I should put it up against a Diplomat. Just hang on a sec. Rightio. The Diplomat and the President. Pretty much the same razor, so there's a bit difference there. So just inside there appears to be a little different size. Is it just me, or now it looks all the same diameter? So it'll be interesting to see how it shaves compared to the Diplomat. But I'm glad I finally got hold of one of these at a reasonable price. Okay, thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you in the next unboxing.